So how do you bring up the keyboard on your iPad screen? Let's talk about it and let's get started. If you are new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you're not going to miss anything important. So the iPad, of course, has this built-in keyboard, which is supposed to be brought up whenever you go to a text field. So if you are in a text field and the keyboard is not visible, just tap on that specific area where you want to type the text in and it should reappear, right? So that would be one way how you can do this. Keep in mind, however, that you also might be using some third-party keyboard applications, which you can switch in between by holding down on the globe icon. And those may not work as reliably as, like, for example, the Apple keyboard, right? So you can switch in between them like that, and the Apple one should always appear. Another thing might be that you have a Bluetooth keyboard connected to the iPad, and therefore the software one doesn't appear because it expects you to use the Bluetooth one. So if that's the case, if you want to test it out, check out the Bluetooth settings and perhaps disconnect it or turn off Bluetooth altogether, and it should then probably work out fine. If not, then just like always, you can try restarting the iPad and updating it to the latest iPad OS, because these features usually get resolved with those things. It's kind of basic to just restart the iPad, but a lot of times it just helps out with these kind of issues. And the same thing for updating. The keyboard can only be updated through a software update, general one, right? So just go to the settings, general, and a software update, and you're going to be able to download the latest version of iPad OS if it's available. So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.